and make yourself as comfortable as you can. Calm your mind and relax your body. Now, begin by taking nice, slow, and deep breaths. Focus your consciousness on the displayed images and sounds as you slowly breathe in and out. While watching, try to visualize the images of the forest in detail. A beautiful forest is spreading out before your eyes. Enjoy beautiful nature and feel its energy. Now, close your eyes and continue to breathe slowly. Allow yourself to breathe in deeply and fully, all the way down to your belly if you can. And breathe out fully and slowly. Feel all the tensions release from your body each time you breathe out fully and slowly. You are breathing out tension and breathing in peace. Let go of any unnecessary thoughts in your mind each time you breathe out fully and slowly. Feel your mind and body becoming serene and languid each time you breathe out fully and slowly. you feel your breath becoming serene and deep. As your breath becomes deeper and deeper, you feel all the tension and all startled feelings wash away. Now you feel your breath becoming deeper and deeper. You feel your mind becoming clear and sharp. There is a very peaceful and cozy place in the deep woods. Visualize the images of the woods in as much detail as you can according to what you hear. Now, imagine yourself strolling in the beautiful and peaceful forest. You are walking through a thick, green, tropical forest. You hear the birds. Now you stop walking and listen to the birds singing. You enjoy their shapes, colors, and sounds. Now you are standing upon the soft ground and surrounded by green trees. Concentrate on the sound and feel the sound. Feel the wind blowing from tree to tree. You feel the cool wind blow across your face. Focus on the sensation of your forehead. Now, your forehead is very cool, and all negative thoughts fade away. Now, you continue your journey. Now, feel the smell of the forest. You feel the savory and refreshing smell of plants and flowers from every direction. You are taking deep breaths and feeling a savory and refreshing refreshing smell coming into your nose. When you slowly breathe in, you feel your body filled with green energy. When you slowly breathe out, you feel all the negative energies within your body releasing through your nose. Feel your body filled with the green energy. You feel your breaths getting much deeper and deeper. Now, you feel your mind and body become completely calm and relaxed. Now, you continue to walk down the path in the woods. What do you see? Continue to focus on the sounds and feel the sounds as vividly as you can, as if you could touch them. Now you feel your mind free and light. This is the place of peace. You know that you can return to this place whenever you wish. Whenever you need peace of mind, your imagination will take you here anytime you wish. Now, it's time to return from your journey. Begin to gently bring yourself back. As you bring yourself back, you feel yourself refreshed, enlightened, and ready to continue your day. When you open your eyes, you will be positive and succeed in everything you do with a new sense of awareness and confidence. Now, take 3 deep breaths and open